Said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, Nana Kwadu, watch your way special. Say we baby and niata, and for one in your baby subscribe to Nana. No bema when you need you. Say Nana Janua, Nana Kwadu, why special? Say Nana Janua, Nana Kwadu, why special?
Hello, welcome to my channel, Nana Kwadu Special. And you know, me Mama Kwaba. Today, this is what I've got for you. This nice sea bass, white sea bass, which I got fresh from the market on my holiday in Tenerife. So, white sea bass is very easy to prepare. You can cook it in different kind of ways, and today I decided to fry it. See, white sea bass has got this thick meaty flavor to it. First, I'm just washing them. In some salt water. And then I'll add my spices. So I have some pepper with ginger, garlic mix, some chili powder, some paprika powder. And then I'll just coat them with all my spices. So just marinate it for about like half an hour, and then I'll just fry them. So just coat them in some flour and then just dip them in the oil. Make sure your oil is medium hot. Yeah, you can see it's almost done, and when it's done I'll just take them out. That's it. You can have it with different meals. I had it with some grease. You can have it with some chips. I had some pepper on the side. But this meal was so delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nyami shina munyina.